Alright, here we go with Mr. Bane from the Nolanverse for Batman. This one is pretty dirty. I believe he was outside most of the time during the reconstruction process, or the doors were open. Wherever he was at, he was in another room. He was not in my silly comic room. So just to go over really quickly, big brush knocks all the big crap off of here. You can see there's quite a bit, so this one will need a pretty deep clean. Little brush to follow that up into the smaller spaces, and then of course fancy spray bottle, distilled water, and Q-tip, microfiber towel, spray bottle, Q-tips. This one's dirty, I can put this one up. And that's it. So get to polishing, cleaning, doing all that stuff to Mr. Hardy here. Oh, sorry, it's Bane. You merely adopted the dog. I really didn't like his voice. I mean, he was a good character, but good lord. The first time he spoke in that movie was pretty jarring. I didn't know what the hell to think whenever they did that the scene on the jet. I really didn't know. I was not expecting it. I wish they would have done better for the voice, but he was still a pretty good version of a Nolan style character for Bane. So look at this. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Just leaves a fingerprint. That's how much dust is on this damn thing. So all I want to do is just get this crap off of here. I've got to clean everything in this room. It is filthy, filthy, filthy in here. Do you feel in control? No, I do not, Bane. Now, Tom Hardy is Venom, playing a much better version of a character. I don't think he did bad with Bane, but I like his version of Venom a lot better, even though I don't. Yeah. It is Venom, but Venom needs Spider-Man to exist. He really does, so they're introducing him kind of backwards. If y'all haven't seen No Way Home, if you haven't seen any of the Venoms, I feel sorry for you. Go watch the damn movies. Why are you watching this channel if you haven't seen any of these movies? Are you feeling okay? Anyways, so smaller brush, try to get down into like these areas right up his crotch where his jacket doesn't connect. All places that dust can hide, like along the neckline of his jacket in here, and then inside of his hands, back of his jacket we got pretty good. You need to do under his arms with this brush, and then along his boots. And then there's some space in here since he's sitting on top of the camo tumbler. Space inside of here, get that cleaned out. Alright, so we take a Q-tip, just in the palm of my hand, a couple of hang on just a second. Got a man down! Oh shit! Alright, which side was the sprayed side before I got stupid and dropped it? So, just in the palm of my hand to get this thing wet. Try not to drip onto that thing so I don't set the damn house on fire. And then it's just a matter of cleaning inside of these nooks and crannies and along any lines that may hold on to a bit more dirt or dust that didn't come out with the two brushes. It's all just a process. I do detail cars for a living, so it is pretty enjoyable for me to be able to do this kind of stuff and then share it with everybody. Y'all could be bored, y'all could be enjoying these. I really don't. It's not that I don't care. I just enjoy doing this kind of stuff. Good Lord. This thing goes way up there. That's what she said. Shut up. Gotta clean off the booty and the crotch. Get into some of these nooks and crannies in here. Nookier nooks and crannier crannies. Is there anything coming off on this Q-tip? Not too bad so far. Make sure that the neckline gets done inside of his face mask, his breathing apparatus, inside of his hands, of course. Inside, really jagged eyeball areas on Mr. Hardy's Bane here. So along his jacket, underneath his collar. And then I take, ooh, this one got, not too bad. And then I take the small brush and I use it as a way to dry it. And that's it. Really isn't much to this. It's pretty easy way to go. I do have actual cleaners and chemicals if I need to, like if there was a stain on something that I needed to take off. I really don't want to put any kind of cleaner or chemical, but I've got plenty to be able to do that. And that is it. Mr. Bane is Mr. Clean. See y'all on the next cleaning video.